All right, guys, pulling up to the shop. Got a package to open up, show you guys. Look who's here, legendary Nick. Y'all remember him from YouTube. We gotta get another video, bro. I'm slacking.
Yeah,
Slacking. All right, you guys, see what we got in here. I've been waiting on these. I ain't gonna lie, I've been waiting on these. I got to try like a prototype of these not too long ago. They seemed like they was hitting. Oh no, these ain't a prototype. This is a trimmer with a brushless motor. So we're unboxing it now. It is your typical packaging, very on brand. Here's the trimmers. Zero gap setter. Slide. Oh, this is the zero gap. That's pretty innovative. Pretty much it's telling you guys it's zero gap out the box. And they use this setter, this thing right here, to set it. That's pretty cool, pretty impressive. So we're gonna use these trimmers out the box. Seems like that's what they're for. We'll see how they hit. Cut close too. That's a pretty tight cut. You can see that blade is super thin. No bog. I mean, she's got thin hair. Still, you can tell that these things have some power. We'll mess with these a little bit more later.
My favorite in this song is Trash.
All right, y'all, we are now at the warehouse, and the goal here is to see if the Gamma power clips or the Stylecraft power clips fit this bad boy. You guys, we're in the shipping section. There's a Gamma power clip. Let's see if it fits. It's not gonna fit. Dang, that's a no-go. All right, just barely. Didn't make the cut. Damn it. So far, I think these are probably the best trimmers without any modification. Straight out the box, these are easily Stylecraft and Gamma's best trimmers. Well done, guys. Well done. I like the blade on here too. Best blade I've used from Stylecraft. Interesting to see what everybody else's reviews are. I'll probably react to some reviews and see what people think. I just got done filming the unboxing of the Stylecraft Sabers, and I got another one in the mail. Stylecraft does not play, bro. They drop so much product. It's hard to keep up though, I ain't gonna lie, man. I feel like this is their way of pretty much releasing often so that you can improve often, if that makes sense. All right, you guys, Dre ruined the video already. We are at Cigars International, and we are unboxing.
It had to be done.
That box. We got, Fonz is here, AJ's here, Nick is in here. Blue Saber, but it's got the Rebel name. You haven't used the Rebel because you're retired. You've used the Rebel?
I'm coming back.
Rebel? Yeah.
Bro,
you use the Rebels? So the Rebels are crazy to me. If it has the Rebel tag, it better be good. Let's open it though. I'm
going back to the barbershop. I'm quitting my day job and I'm going back to the barbershop.
No, you're not. No, he's not allowed to.
I'm in control of my own life.
No. Best damn cigars. Ask Kendrick. Best cigars. Love them. These are the ones. Café con leche. The dramatic effect.
Oh, this one looks nice. This one looks like a.
That's a nice case.
That is nice.
You like it?
That's nice.
Oh, wait. Got
It got a nice filter.
Hey, this is rubberized. Damn. They might have got one with this one. It feels like it's got some power.
Going back to the barbershop. Can't wait to use it.
It feels good, I ain't gonna lie.
Can't wait to use it.
That feels nice, right? You got Jordian getting left hanging. Look, I caught it on film. Yeah, I caught you getting left hanging. Yeah, he left you hanging for a little bit.
Yeah, that was horrible, right? Oh, where's your board?
Ergonomic, lightweight, cold titanium. 100-minute runtime.
You know how many heads you can shave on 100 minutes?
11,000 RPM. Crazy. It's huge.
Now we're recording on 3. You're so pretty.
We've got to New York. We are at Thompson. All right, y'all, Barbicon. It's in a skating rink. This mall is crazy, though. I ain't gonna lie. in a skating rink this year. Now you guys can literally walk into the skating rink or around it. Look at beans. We have those officially? Beam, I need your opinion on these.
I need your opinion on that. You know, see, yeah. He knew who to go to.
Miners.
Ah, man. I don't know, bro.
Those are out the box. I haven't adjusted them.
Okay. I'm kind of skeptical about them, though.
Really?
What other blade they could fit on?
That's the blade that, remember Austin showed us at the other hair show? That's the blade.
This the one that's gonna come out on the
That other
red
trimmer.
one? I don't know. It still feel kind of good, though. I like them. They feel
Like
good
them?
to me. And that's brushless on the trimmer?
Yeah, brushless on the trimmer. I think the only other company that does that, the original is this one. That's the original brushless. But now somebody came out with their own brushes. The blade I like on it.
You think these better than the low pros?
I think they're better than the low
I
pros.
didn't use the low pros at all.
You don't like them?
I didn't use them. I didn't like the blade.
I think this blade is better.
The blade just is kind of thick to me, but I guess I don't know.
Really? I think it's pretty good.
I guess I'm really looking at it from this angle too, right here.
Right now it's frizzy and has a lot of shield.
What was your name?
What you say, Elijah? You want one?
Yeah,
I got you. That look good. Real ramen spot. I didn't really get video of this room, but this is the Thompson. Ignore the mess. Nice room. It's a decent sized hotel for New York City. Like New York City, this is a big hotel. We didn't get an upgrade or nothing like that. And I don't know if I would be happy spending $700 a night here because a lot of the amenities are gone. They're doing a whole lot of remodeling and construction. And so I don't think they had a gym. They didn't have a pool. They had a bar, but very, very little to no amenities. So we're going now to the Park Hyatt. We'll see how that looks. All right, guys, so this is like the hall. Look at these doors, entrances. We got a peephole over here. And then, yeah, this is crazy. Soak in the tub. Look at this shower. Are you kidding me?
No, this
Babe, look at this damn shower. It's a damn room. Let me see what's in here.
You can all take a shower.
This is where the magic happens.
And a phone?
Phone for backup, just in case. Just in case I get stuck. The mirror has a TV. Look.
No way. Okay, this is
I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh my goodness, Lord Jesus, look at this. Would you just take a look at this? Got a bar in there. Definitely gonna take some of that. What you got in here? Definitely gonna put the robe on. But yeah, gorgeous hotel.
I've never been in a hotel.
Gorgeous hotel. Yes. Oh look, there's a tablet. There's a safe. You got bundles of cash. You need that. And then this is the views. I don't know what building that is, but that's nice. So this room was not completely free. The room is typically like $1,000 to $1,200 a night. This one's more. This is the suite. So a regular room here is like $1,000 to $1,200 a night. I upgraded for $150 more. I used points, so it was free, but we upgraded for $150. So I think it's worth it. All in all, for New York City, I think we paid $300 in flights for all of us. The hotel, the whole stay at the Thompson, 5 nights was free. We used points. Paid $150 for this upgrade, so I'm down $500 maybe. And then food and all that stuff, probably add another $1,000. So not bad, $1,500 between flight, food, and stuff around New York. But we stayed in some amazing hotels because New York got a reputation for having literally hostels for a hotel. You think you're getting a regular hotel room and you're not. So this is the views. Very high. That's nice over there, that rooftop over there. You guys can see the pool area. Let's go. Hey, Children, what do y'all rank this hotel? What do you rate it out of 10?
500.
500 out of 10? Valentina?
1 million.
1 million out of 10. All right, that is Park Hyatt review. Park Hyatt, Central Park. That's your review. Elijah, run that back. Hold on. Look at this, guys. Come on, boy. You're embarrassing me on my channel. Dang. You doing it from the bed?
Yeah.
I like that. That's slick. Oh, it's right here. I like that. That's slick.